Replacement Components has all your indoor air quality needs covered with both factory-authorized parts and total-line aftermarket parts and supplies. Our extensive IAQ lineup includes whole-house, high-efficiency media retrofit air cleaners. Like their name says, these air cleaners provide highly efficient removal of airborne contaminants. They're designed for easy installation, feature reversible airflow, and can be mounted in any position. The 5¼ filter lasts up to 1 year and is made of continuous fiber material that resists shredding and moisture. And the cabinet is corrosion resistant and covered by a 5-year warranty. Now more than ever, your customers rely on you for indoor air quality solutions for their customers. Count on Replacement Components for the right options for your customers' needs. See our full line of IAQ products and learn more about whole house high-efficiency media retrofit air cleaners at rchvacparts.com/IAQ.